Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an edit in After Effects. First, launch After Effects and begin a brand new project. Next, import all your video clips, images, and audio files into the project panel. Then, create a new composition, perhaps setting it to 1920 by 1080 pixels at 24 frames per second. Finally, drag your imported footage onto the timeline to start arranging your shots. Now, let's dive into the core editing. You can easily trim clips by dragging their edges or split them at specific points using keyboard shortcuts. Adjusting a clip's duration or speed can create dramatic slow motion or fast-paced sequences. Experiment with basic transformations like scaling, rotating, and positioning your layers. Remember to use keyframes to animate these properties smoothly over time, bringing your visuals to life. Time to add some flair. After Effects offers hundreds of effects and presets. Try applying color correction to enhance your footage or a blur effect for stylistic transitions. Adding text layers is straightforward. Customize fonts, sizes, and colors to match your aesthetic. Don't forget to experiment with blending modes, which can dramatically alter how layers interact, creating unique and captivating visual styles for your edit. Finally, it's time to share your amazing creation with the world. First, set your work area to encompass the exact portion of your timeline you wish to export. Then, add your composition to the render queue. Select an output module, perhaps H.264, and choose a suitable format like MP4 for broad compatibility. Hit render, and After Effects will process your video, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.